to you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bhagwat, for the kind words. I hope I'm audible. And I really thank Dr. Prithvi Yadav to be so kind to welcome me here among the distinguished students of Jaipuria Institute of Management, Indore. Dear friends, good morning. And I am one of amongst you who is a student of Seth Anandram Jaipuria School, Kanpur. I studied 12 years in Seth Anandram Jaipuria School, Kanpur. And till date, when I ride my bicycle every morning to the school, I still feel like a student of Jaipuria School. So we are all same. I'm no different than you. So first of all, treat me like a part of you as a fellow student sitting next to your chair. I am extremely humbled to be here this morning, and it gives me immense pleasure to talk to you as a fellow student. And as Dr. Prithvi Yadav said, he's the youngest, so I'll compete with him to be the a bit younger more than him. And that is the humbleness of him, and it's a beginner's mindset that he has, which really is the most important trait of any human mind, to have a beginner's mindset. We should all begin every morning with a new aim and a new goal. I'll start with an anecdote. It says, to dream anything you want to dream, that is the beauty of human mind. To do anything you want to do, that is the trust of human will. To test yourself, to trust your courage, that is the courage to succeed. Dear students of Jaipuria Institute of Management, Indore, I am extremely glad and confident that what you are going through is the most important time of any management studies that has happened over last any generations. Just imagine we are in the time when there is calamity, there is trouble, there is a change, and there is a new normal. And when we say it's a new normal, it means situation is normal. And when I talk of management, the COVID times have actually taught us as entrepreneur, as students, as professors, as any discipline in the world, that the first management in life is about your own management. It's internal and external. So COVID has taught us to come back to reality. Those were the times when my fellow students, professors, and myself used to go out for dinners, go out for hanging around. The canteen in the college used to be the most important part of our lives. And bunking classes used to be the most memorable times for us in college. But COVID times has taught us, when you have a beautiful shirt, you have a beautiful top, but maybe you are wearing shorts or loose trousers in your bottom, and you are sitting on the screen as if you are a very disciplined student. So I see a lot of you smiling with that comment. But yes, when as Dr. Yadav said, the entrepreneurship center of excellence, Jai Utsav, all those initiatives which he's going to take is already there to ensure that you have a very bright future. In Africa, in the jungle, every morning 4:30 a.m., there's a deer who wakes up and he starts running. In the same jungle, same time 4:30 in the morning, there's a lion who gets up and who starts running. The difference is the deer is runs to save his life, and lion runs to have his food. My question to you today is, who are you? Are you the deer or you are the lion? My dear friends, this is the time when you cannot complain of that I did not have enough exposure, I did not have enough time to learn. This is the time when we are able to enhance ourselves, read enough books, expose ourselves to technology, and come back to reality. This is the time we can master the interpersonal skills, about how to deal with family and friends. This is the time where we can actually tune our mind and enhance our health to the utmost limits, because this is never going to come back. So I will urge you what we have done in Goldie Group in the last 4 months. I take the liberty of Dr. Yadav to share with you that 24th March lockdown was announced, and 31st March Goldie started its operations. The entire plant was started on 31st March, and I was blessed to be a part of many entrepreneur organizations like the EO Entrepreneur Organization of India, the Young Presidents Organization of India, and I can tell you we have more than 500 people in the sales team. We have more than 5,000 employees in our plants, and we connected with all of them and their families on Zoom, like we are connected here. And we started our operations on 31st March. And as I talk here, the month of June, we were the leader in the industry, and Goldie sold maximum kgs of goods more than anybody else in the entire country. Apart from that, it is my pleasure to announce that in the month of April, we launched Goldie in Indore. We appointed 5 distributors in Indore, and we were able to start our operations there. How it happened, why it happened, it is only the team effort. And it was few people who stood up. They stopped the mindset of physical presence. They ensured that it is only about living in the present and not worrying about the future. I am sure a lot of you students must be thinking कि ये हमारे ही समय क्यों होना था कि जब हमने कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया. And but friends, I can tell you, you are the luckiest. You are the most deserved candidate of management ever this generation has found. And when I see students like you, when I see the future in your hands, I can promise you have seen the worst, but you have also seen the best. The COVID times has taught us how to be more efficient, how to talk to the point, and if I take the liberty on a reorientation program, the amount of lectures which were used to happen for number of hours, which I also used to give to my employees, it happens in 15 minutes that we are able to concise everything. And we have learned that art to how to ensure that what we want to say, we will plan and we will move ahead. Also, I would like you to be humble to the generation before us, because they are the people who have nurtured this entire environment where technology has moved so fast. We should be grateful to them that in today's time also we are able to meet and talk like this web conference. There was a Spanish flu in the year 1901, if I'm right, and nothing of this sort was available. People died, calamities happened, but people were not connected. So today, all of you are blessed. I'm blessed to have a mobile phone, and on the sides, WhatsApp is happening, Facebook is happening, Instagram is happening, but still, we are blessed that we are connected. So, friends, if you are a student of Jaipuria Institute of Management Indore, I will urge you to remember that minute, that hour when you were selected to be a student of this institute. Just reimagine that happiness that came to your heart, that and you must have shouted yourself to all your friends and family that that mama I have got selected to this institute. And just I want you to rekindle that feeling in your heart about that happiness to be a part of this institute. Under the leadership of Dr. Yadav, Dr. Bhagwat, just imagine in these times also, he's thinking, imagining, visioning to have a Jai Mahotsav in Indore. And sir, I promise you, given an opportunity, I will be a part of that Jai Mahotsav, and it will be my pleasure, because a person who can promise and vision things in difficult times will surely deliver things in the best times. My dear friends, I will share a small story about Socrates, one of the best philosophers of the world. So there was a student like you who went to Socrates and said, "Sir, I want to succeed." Socrates didn't reply to him. He just said on a paper note that, "Please come tomorrow morning by the beach." So next morning, the student goes to the beach near the riverfront, and Socrates is again there quiet. "Sir, I want to learn from you how to succeed." He didn't reply. Next morning, again, the student went. But student was very, very persuasive and very hardworking. Next morning, again, he went at 4 in the morning to Socrates. Socrates took him by the river. He crossed the beach into the water. He held his head, pulled him down in water. Just imagine Dr. Yadav, Dr. Bhagwat taking your head and putting you inside the water. And the student was out of breath. Sometimes he moved his hand, moved his feet, and finally he got enough courage that he pulled back himself out. The moral of the story is Socrates said that if you want success, if you want to excel, like the importance of that breath which you would want to be alive, then you will succeed. My dear friends, in Goldie Group, today we have more than 1500 distributors. We have state of the art plants, and I am the second generation entrepreneur. Dr. Yadav has been humble to tell me owner and MD, but I am still the director. My father is the MD, and I still want him to be the managing director. But we have started exporting to 20 countries. And in this lockdown period also, we opened 3 countries, appointed 3 distributors in London, in New Jersey, in Los Angeles. The only reason is that we remained in the present time. We fought the situation of today. We did not have excuses, and our team was very strongly aligned with Salesforce application, with ERP system of Microsoft, with the cloud computing on the IBM platform. This is all that has happened today, and I can tell you that there must be a dilemma in your mind when you see lot of people, lot of companies firing lot of employees in the companies. But I promise you today that if you promise to yourself, if you promise to the person sitting on your chair today that you will excel, you will not compromise, you will not give any excuse, and first and most important, you will be aware. I can say the companies like ours will be compelled and will be with red carpet, we will welcome you to join our organizations. The only difference is that you have to specialize. The times have changed. It is more competing times today. But the most important point is you have to not give excuses for anything now. The COVID times has taught us it is about discipline, it is about self management, it is about the basics. As Dr. Yadav was sharing few learnings of Mr. Ghosh, and that were very, very important. We have come back to basics. We have come back to atta, roti, dal, and chawal. We have stopped outside pizza, outside burger, outside noodles. We are all eating in-house food, and our health has improved. So this is the real me. This is the real family, where unnecessary traveling is not required, but the discipline, basics, and reality is most important. I urge you to envision yourself as the next leader of this country, envision yourself as the next contributor to this country in the best possible manner. Don't worry about tomorrow, but worry about today. Worry about now, that what we can do now, and ensure that whatever we do our best. Friends, let us not waste time. Let us sleep with satisfaction in the night that we improved little bit today. Make your bucket list. Make your bucket list. Make your plan. Make your the way you are sitting here today. I can say what happened in Goldie every morning 9 a.m. This is my home office, and we have been sitting in the home office since 4 months. Every morning 9 a.m. me, my father, my brother, my uncle, and my cousin, and my entire team has created a home office where we sit. If you want to excel, I urge you that even your institute is not open, but in your home, in your house, please make an institute of yourself. Every morning 8:30 a.m., 9 a.m., be ready, go to your institute in your house, sit there, study the books, do a learning, and share with your professors and with your students that what you learned today. I can tell you, if you progress little bit every day, if you people say somebody is a big shot, nobody is a big shot. It is the little shots which happen every day. Those little shots, if you create every day, I promise you, you will achieve your goal. So please create a small institute, a small classroom, a small auditorium inside your house for yourself, and spend time with yourself. The most important person in your life is this, your own mind and your brain. Let not your brain command you, let us command our brain. And I am a big disciple of non-fiction books. There's a book by John Maxwell, The 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership. And the first law is the law of the lid. Let us raise the lid every day. And I can promise when you reach your institute, as Dr. Yadav said, you will be the best batch ever of Jaipuria Institute of Management Indore and the best students ever in any institute. As a fellow Jaipurian, I again urge you that let us make our school proud, let us make our college proud. And as we all, I don't know, sir, if that comment is still there, but we used to shout in the school, we are the Jaipurians, the mighty, mighty Jaipurians. And I'm sure all of you, the ones you wear the formal trousers, as I say, कई लोग नहीं पहने होंगे अभी on the screen, but the day you wear your formal trousers when you reach your institute, please be the mightiest Jaipurian which has ever been there, ever in this country. Thank you so much for giving the opportunity, and let us again challenge Dr. Yadav that, sir, we are the youngest, not you. As he says, he's the youngest among all of us. So we will be the best students, and I will look forward to meet all of you given an opportunity physically in your institute. Thank you so much.